wabarakatuh. Hello friend. On this occasion, we Medion State Polytechnic will explain about the project of applying microcontrollers to motorbike. Where in this project we will simulate by designing a microcontroller circuit on a motorbike using Proteus software. Then we will also create a program using the Arduino IDE software, which will later be input in Arduino on the motor circuit design that was been made. Control a motor with a turning direction using Arduino. Controlling the direction of motion of a aftermathing motor can be done with the use of relay. Relay are electronic components used to control the flow of electric current in a motor control system.
To motor system.
Relay are used to regulate the direction of motor relay rotation. Main components. Number 1, Arduino Uno, which is a microcontroller development board that is popular in the world of electronics and programming. Relay, an electric switch or switch that operate using electricity, which consists of two main parts, namely the coil or electromagnet and the switch or mechanical contact, where the relay function to help control the direction of motion of the motor back and forth by regulating the required electric current.
Number 3, DC motor. A DC motor is a type of electric motor that use electric current to drive its three wheels. The DC motor consists of a set of bulbs separated by wire, and the electric current passes through the seat will conduct electric current to the bulbs, which will move the three wheels. Number 4, transistor. As amplifier, as a circuit breaks and current connectors, voltage stabilization and signal modulation. 5, resistor, an electronic component used to reduce or regulate the flow of electric current flowing through a certain path in a circuit. Number 6, LED, used as an indicator light. Next, work step. Number 1, then after determining the component to be used, the next step is to design the circuit according to the component we have determined in the Proteus software. Number 2, after creating the circuit in the Proteus software, we will create a program that will be input to the Arduino component so that when the circuit is simulated, it can match the DIC we want. The first step is to create an integrate format. This integrate for in use to store in the pin value the Proteus software. For set up this selection of code along with the declaration section is executed only once. We will use to wait output and input pins. This helps the Arduino to understand pin will fetch data and which pin will be used to write data. Digital write, this part to the code run in a loop consistent and is used to write the main part of the code. In this section, we execute with the time chart that we create at the beginning of the video with a predetermined delay for. Number 3, after completing the program on the Arduino, we run the program. If successfully, copy it as the bottom in hex format. Number 4, next, input the result of running the program in hex format that we have copied to Arduino in the circuit we have made. And number 5, to simulate the motor's motion control in the Proteus software. That's all we can say in this video. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.